Okay. Let's see. Lucas gonna try to make fire.
Let's not make fire.
You gotta tilt it.
Okay, hold on. Lucas.
It's not smoking yet. Maybe I was doing it in a different spot before.
Yeah. We should try that to make our campfire.
I can smell it.
Wow.
Yeah, me too. Can I hold it?
Little small.
Like this fire.
So I'm a little disappointed about the size of the swimming beach here.
Mommy, I don't know what this says.
Hold on.
Don't say changing.
So you can only swim in this little spot. That's it. But it is pretty though.
Yeah.
You ready to go in?
Me, ready.
Yeah.
So Lily and I are done with the swimming.
I never started with swimming. That's how done I was from the I know it's broken now.
Your leg is not broken, you're fine. What do you think, Lily?
I have another one.
And Lily was making a friend today at the beach.
You
Yeah.
never told me.
Well, just right now, before we came. And then Angel and Ali and Lucas are somewhere over there, I think.
Right there.
I can't see it in the camera though. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's them. I tried to get it like, okay. These people over here, maybe? I'm not sure. It's hard to see though.
Maybe punch out when you're editing.
Lily, how's the crackers?
Into the water. Might mean it's too heavy.
Hi, Lily. Don't fall.
Doggy.
What? Oh my gosh. Can you say hi, Lily? Hi. You're just looking for more crackers. You're a cracker monster.
She
Look,
really looks
find a little piece.
Instead of a cookie monster, she's a cracker.
Say hi. Can you say hi?
Started raining really crazy in here. We got stuck in the bathroom.
Yeah.
There was so much rain. Yeah, so I don't know. Should we get wet or should we go?
Wet.
I mean, should we stay here a little longer or should we go? It wasn't raining. I mean, you can hear the thunder, but it was not raining. And now it's like raining really heavy.
Hi.
How was camping?
Good.
Did you want anything on there? Anyway, so we have hot dogs, vegan burger, and vegan burger.
It looks like puke. Yeah.
This one is like real, like vegetables. This one, who knows what is in there, but there's no meat.
Well, they look like meat.
They do, and do taste like meat too. Anyway.
The fire drills agree.
Why can't you eat normal burgers, Mommy?
So misty.
Yeah, you want to go to the lake?
No.
Or you're afraid you're going to walk in?
Huh?
Afraid you're going to walk in?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna go there by myself. Are you crazy?
I'll go
Just
with
keep
you.
going. No. I'm okay.
Yeah, come on, I'll back up right into this one.
No. Let's just go to
I wanted to go to the
lake to do what?
To look at it.
Oh goodness, so we're gonna go together then?
I was gonna go.
Okay, so
You said
let's
no.
go. Oh look, you can see it in the ground.
Yes, it's
Fog?
misty fog.
No. The sky looks nice though.
Yeah, sort of like a little bright and lightning still around. I don't know if you caught that. Let's see if I can get us back in that camping.
Well, it's not that far to find it.
No, I mean inside of our little parking fire.
That's a good fire.
I'm jelly.
You are jealous. It's
really loud.
It's raining like crazy all night. We're sleeping here. Lily is doing her morning lesson. Huh, Lily? So that was practically all night long, thunder and rain. We had like a few, maybe like an hour break, and it's back on. And what time is it right now? Like 8 in the morning. We're supposed to be here until tomorrow, but I don't think so.
Our neighbors ran away.
So the neighbors, they left. We heard them packing and saying how their tent was drenched and they had to go. Like they slept on the car last night. But yeah, it was pretty scary. It was thunder and lightning all night long. I think it stopped. I don't know. At some point, I was able to fall asleep. But yeah, it's been kind of scary.
Yeah, she woke up a few times.
Ali, did you wake up, Ali? She doesn't remember. I don't think she remembered that she woke up.
I had her turn around because she was just like, I'm not gonna sleep.
Oh. And Lily. Lily has slept better last night than she did the night before. She only woke up one time. I held her for a little bit and then she went right back to sleep. But before that, she actually, like the night before, she spent like an hour, over an hour, like just crying and not going to sleep. And Lucas slept through the whole thing.
Yeah, he doesn't care.
He doesn't care. You're gonna say something? So we decided to break down the tent and go home. Well, I don't know yet if we're going home, but we're almost done. This is the last part. Everything is back in the car right here. The kids are there too. Fun?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, it was fun the first day when it was dry, and then got so wet. It's really, I mean, it's not raining. I mean, I guess a little bit, but it's not raining a lot right now. So yeah, I mean, I think it's nice, it's fun, but like raining, every time we go camping it rains. I think there was just one time that it didn't rain that we went camping, but it was super cold. This time was not that cold. Well, I was in my sleeping bag, sleeping on the floor, but somebody wanted to sleep in a comfortable.
I don't think the floor was different.
I think it makes a floor is warmer than in a bed, air bed. But anyway, I was in a sleeping bag and I felt pretty warm. Like I felt good.
Can you hold that on?
And I was not even wearing socks, which I usually sleep with socks if it's cold.
Yeah, at home.
At home. But yeah,
you know, because I turn on the AC.
Yeah, because you turn on the AC. But yeah, so I just wish that we can have one camping experience without rain, without a tornado, without anything like any natural disaster.
Last night was severe thunderstorm.
Yeah, we had a severe thunderstorm. That's what we had last night.
It was pretty severe.
It was very bad.
So much lightning and thunder.
Yeah, we never seen so much lightning and thunder.
Wow, that's a lot. It was just a lot. I was worried that the trees were going to come down on us.
Our tent was right there in that spot, so I guess that big tree could have come down. The little one wouldn't have been. It was a big one right there.
Yes,
Well,
but I'm not. I don't think the big one is. I'm worried about the
little
anyway,
ones.
Whatever.
Oh goodness. So this is a scary part of this ride. We're going down the mountain and it's so foggy. Oh goodness, at least we can't see the cliff or anything. The angel was falling asleep. The weather decided to go really strong.
Hello. Today I am, well, first of all, I'm Allie. And I don't have a channel, but I'm fine too.